Hi, this is Paul Baker with REMAX and HotPropertyFlorida.com. Today we're out in Winter Garden, Florida in the Horizon West area at Northlake at Ovation by Ashton Woods Homes. And we're going to look at the Econ floor plan. It is 1,791 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. And the base price at the time of this recording starts in the upper 400s. Please take a look around. If you like this home and would like more information on it, please give me a call or send me a text at 407-902-3188. And to view all the homes for sale in Central Florida, please visit my website, hotpropertyfl.com. I will have a link in the description to all the other floor plans and pricing for this community. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.